Hyland Creek Association is a townhome association in Bloomington, Minnesota. We have 73 units comprised of 23 buildings plus a clubhouse. Hoffman Weber Construction installed new siding on all 24 of our buildings in the complex. We used a rather complex process to determine the contractor we wanted to use, which laid out the criteria that we thought were most important. Hoffman Weber Construction met all of those for us.
Hoffman Weber Construction has been working on multifamily projects for several decades. We work on all exteriors, roofing, siding, windows. We also work in multiple states, so we have a lot of experience, knowledge, and capabilities. One way that I've been told that Hoffman Weber really differentiates with our clients is the communication. We're not only communicating with the community manager, but also the board, and then really specifically each individual homeowner. As we're going through the process, we're letting them know how they're going to be affected as we start, as we're working, and as we finish, and that is really key to a smooth project.
So we made the decision to hire an architect to help us actually come up with the design for the new look. And Hoffman Weber was excellent at implementing that look and working with that design expert throughout the process. They brought in additional crews, which helped them finish the project ahead of schedule, which made all of our residents very happy. Since these townhomes date back to 1974, we had siding that was in very poor condition. This new siding has not only improved the value of our buildings, but it has decreased the maintenance dramatically. I would highly recommend Hoffman Weber Construction to any other association considering a project. This was a huge project and they did an outstanding job for us.
Not only replaced siding on all 73 units, but some homeowners took advantage of our other exterior services while we were out here, such as windows, doors, some deck work. That made it so much easier for them to just work with one contractor, made it a lot smoother and easier for them.
So I've lived in Hyland Creek Association for 36 years. I've seen a lot of things come and go over those years. This is by far the best improvement we have ever made to this property. It's been wonderful for our residents. It's been wonderful for the value that we've created here as well.